Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about our WhatsApp automation use case. You can have any lead source. For example, in this case, we're using LinkedIn ads. After a lead converts, a new lead will be automatically created in our CRM. With Abstra, you can integrate with many options, such as Pipedrive, Salesforce, or HubSpot. Immediately after, the lead is qualified with an Abstra script. The first step involves enriching the data using a Python API, followed by its internal classification. This process also considers historical data and learns with each interaction. Once qualified, we can proceed with the automated scheduling process via WhatsApp. In this next step, we'll use Abstra to integrate with the calendar and look for 3 available time slots among the sales representatives. We tested sending a link at this stage, but our conversion rate was over 3 times higher when we sent the time options. With the time options mapped out by our AI, we'll now automatically send a message to the client's WhatsApp. On the internal interface, we can see that the bot sent the message and has already received the user's response. We configured our AI to schedule the meeting automatically. If there's any doubt about the response, it notifies a human. In this scenario, it successfully scheduled the meeting directly into the calendar. Here, we can see that a human user can also interact and send messages. One very powerful feature we also automated is the follow-ups, which significantly increase the conversion rate for scheduling. In summary, we can integrate any lead source into the CRM and WhatsApp automation. We managed to automate data enrichment and initial qualification, easily use real-time calendar integration, and send automatic WhatsApp messages within less than 2 minutes after a lead converts. We've also automated follow-up messages. And that's it. We've seen how we can create automation with WhatsApp using Abstra, connecting anything with everything. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, please contact us on the Discover server.